Here, so I will show you how to add cinematic blur effect in your OBS. So first of all, we have to install a plugin for our OBS. So on my video description box, you get this website link. Come to this website and click on go to download. In this page, scroll down and under assets, you can just go ahead and download the installer. If you're using a Windows computer, then just download the installer.exe file. Once downloaded, go ahead and install this plugin, and then you have to restart or relaunch your OBS studio. Now I'm adding my webcam first of all. Now you have to select the source, in which source you want to add the cinematic blur effect. Once you selected, click on filters, and here under effect filters, click on this plus icon and select background removal. Click on OK, and here adjust this blur background, and we can see a cinematic blur effect added. You can enable advanced settings option, and then you can adjust this threshold. You can adjust contour filter. You can adjust smooth silhouette value. You can also add some feather blend silhouette and click on close. And this is how we can actually add cinematic blur effect to OBS.